Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Friends, my step by step, my lecture, my class, my motivational class, and step by step, my videos, my tutorial, my channel, the digital marketing, search and optimization, mobile marketing, etc., etc. Provide my videos and presentation. The 5 tips for successfully mobile marketing, mobile and digital marketing strategy, very important topics. Successfully digital marketing strategy on mobile. Again, 5 tips for successfully mobile marketing, mobile and digital marketing strategy. A marketing strategy is a calculate from the server and any possible business, but identify the right opportunity in the challenge. Which is the element of technology. The marketing strategy are also win and the search SEO change the upgrading the platform of digital and smart, basically your business and your website. From the independent of digital marketing title, Desby worldwide has never cause in common within the model. The mobile digital marketing method is individual. The digital grow, you're grown the process when the smartphone taking center stored everyone marketing method have the fixed and express data connect and content with the offline marketing and online marketing method and traditional marketing and the offline the digital marketing take keep and everyone mobile. This is the experiment possible the mobile app development in various domain and digital world. Some of the tips for the successfully mobile digital marketing strategy product in the crow for analysis and strategy which is prob and because in the market. The 5 tips a successfully mobile digital marketing strategy. The mobile skin, Adrofir mobile skin have turn of the base and causal and accordingly to devise the mobile digital marketing strategy successfully. The first high your mind should be mobile success. Make every design, website, and social media updating mobile friendly. The let us push in review button the 6 to 7 year back seen and the world erecting difference. The smartphone where are the infection strategy at mobile browsing what is not is the front of computer provide the necessary service. We have service one of smartphone simply marketing is a website mobile friendly easy. Make sure that the local and fast the data connecting this is called cell phone and the fast and wi-fi he is the site taken long then second and long to use and pattern and scan. That data connection is the cell phone are the not there are the make and set is the mind of pattern scan. I will help you escape successfully first then planted. Their social media are the following the language in kind. With is the very process and the made business adopt. This is the trend of creating the videos strategy and engage and visitors. The development is video marketing techniques, the message and trade and tradition. And that has the object you usually on mobile video including has around the 10 million minutes dailies that the last 2 years having the bring the old process and additional adoption and the new trading the just necessary but model keeps in your business. Creating a video want to rank your account with is the own owner about there are modify and appreciation which is will help brand your stories. That additional allow to matter but the quality and content add value are the content are urgent live and viewers. The master social media. The social media site playing shaping rules and creating and digital marketing and so your business of your business, the online dissemination. Most the popular using the smartphone found have the open the last apps there are choose within 30 minutes after their work up in the morning. The most the time of because as a social apps. What better than the rest on the profits that can pay you regularly? Connect in the product social media strategy you will business going to the convert like never before engage your visitor and complain the advanced values content the reach is the open your service but make sure they respond the strategy some who take method which is the because your social media's visitors are customer reviews and employment including video customer feedbacks and including learning and influencer and live-in brands and the try short content the people are the neighbor must style this is the benefits who is the keeping the content are pledge even though search engine optimization SEO domain long in content record the people but quality content this is the also increase the possible that rate share and connect and contain and the visibility encourage the modification to take help your eye catching and the completely image that is improves your connect and completely with the million of content online short content needed the boost on your visit and digital crown Google mobile app advertising you can advertise to rank mobile advertising and the help Google mobile apps and regulation mobile ad in apps development are grow the teach and the customer increase the customer mobile publish and throws app Google has including my many factors and each the advertising recent the throw over ads on YouTube come and which channel the feature which is allowing use the including your apps and all the instant button the visitor videos and who is needed the apps the conversion during the budget strategy with apps influencing will also provide very soon. This is the will at the apps development bring updated which rate in customer and the content creation have the without a lavish idea. The mobile digital marketing it is the best toy trend now when trying important techniques and engine the customer highly recommended repeat the always one strong now to now worse in image and process the great trade of the old the fast thank you thing so upgrading this marketing strategy and search reaches in the device the marketing solution for optimize mobile pops and mobile mention to stores the one authorized bio the leads of digital marketing trained techniques and top the smart and conclusion development which is the four values experience online marketing is the client experience and process the mission business. The friend five system successfully the five mobile and digital marketing strategy. Number one, adore mobile skin. Number two, video trading. Trading. Number three, most social media. Number four, try short content. Number five, Google mobile app advertising. Number five, the tip most the five more successfully in strategy. I again repeat the five Adobe skin and number two video trading, number three try short content, number four Google mobile apps, and number five four. Short content is very important your mobile marketing and SEO strategy search engine optimization important your content the short strategy than your smartphone and the with the million of content user Google map advertising is very important. Google map advertising, Google mobile app advertising very important present time Google mobile app advertising. You can advertising to rank and the apps and short store to help Google mobile advertising elevation and mobile apps. In present advertising are grow. Google has industries many fixers and each in advertising. Each and factor which always use the internet apps and the right way. Install the button, visit the below these videos and mobile app store. The mobile digital marketing is the trained and the trading improves the technique and each customer and highly recommended. People always watch the something new words and new image, new products and eye-catching image. Marketing strategy, marketing solution for optimized mobile page on mentor to store. Authorize the fine digital marketing and after technology top and search content development. Thank you, my friend. Best of luck. Very important topics. My presentation, my class, and my lecture. 5 tips for successfully mobile digital marketing. Mobile digital marketing strategy. 5 tips successfully. Thank you. Best of luck.